So, for my viewers, could you please introduce yourself again?
Definitely. My name is Reena Sharma. I'm from Rajasthan. I completed my qualification in BA and nowadays I'm running YouTube channel named called Masoom English Girl. That's all about me.
So, in this video, we will do a role play. There are two characters. One is girls PG hostel owner, and second is girls mother. She has so many questions regarding PG.
Okay, but I don't have experience about PC, so I don't know how I'm going to, um, perform in this, but I will try.
Yes, I will ask
Because
some
I
basic
never.
questions, and you will just reply yes or no. It's okay. Okay.
Okay.
So, first of all, I will give a call to you because it's a telephonic inquiry. Ting
Okay.
ting. Now you will pick the call.
Hello. Who's there?
Hello. I am Tanya Singh. I am calling from Delhi, and you have posted a advertisement on 99 acres for PG.
Yes.
So, are you Mrs. Verma? Are you the right person? With I'm talking with the. Hmm, yes. So I have because my daughter is coming Jaipur for study purpose. So I'm looking a good PG for her. And I saw so many pictures of your PG. So I have some basic question. May I ask?
Yeah, definitely, please.
Okay. So ma'am, please tell me, like in your PG, how many rooms are available?
There are
Like
15
how
rooms.
15 rooms?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the students are living in shared room or they can take a single room. Just
They
only
are
like one student
living
can
in
live.
shared room. Two participants are living in one room.
Okay. Okay. And what about food? Are you giving food by yourself or are you providing tiffin service?
We are providing tiffin service because we don't have a cook who can prepare the food here.
Okay. And ma'am, what about laundry? Are you um, arranging laundry for outside or like you have washing machine, common washing machine for all the
We have
students?
we have common washing machines, so every student can use that.
Is there any specific timing for using this washing machine?
We are going
Because
to
friends,
divide.
na?
We are going to divide a specific day to particular student there.
Okay. Okay. And what about cleaning, ma'am? Housekeeping staff?
There is a sweeper.
This is super. How many
Yeah.
times they are, clean the sitting area and room?
Every single day around 9 a.m. in the morning.
But in, some PG, they are doing two times. One time in the morning and in evening.
We are providing one time only in the morning because all students are mature, so they are not going to do dirty room. I mean, too much dirty. So we don't require that to do twice in a day.
And what is your hostel's curfew timings?
5 to 7. Sorry,
Five
no,
to
not
curfew
5
timing.
to
Curfew timing means students can enter by 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. This is the last time for entering in the
9
hostel.
p.m. 9 p.m.
After that, you are not allowing any student.
No, ma'am. After that, no, we won't allow anyone.
And if someone is, sometimes there are some projects work, sometimes they can be late. So,
For that,
uh,
we will inquire. For that, we will inquire why they are going outside, why they are late today.
okay,
Because we
okay,
have this accountability to give answer to their parents. So if they are coming after 9 p.m., we are going to inquire them that why they were outside till this time.
yes, okay. Because my daughter is coming for study purpose and she will join a coaching institute. So, are you giving pick and drop facility also, like any transport service?
For that, you have to pay extra amount.
Okay, I will pay.
Okay, then it will be available for her.
Okay. Are you giving are you allowing any gadgets like induction?
No, we don't allow that.
Why, ma'am? Because nowadays mostly students are carrying induction
We don't
and they
allow that because of the electricity bill. because of the electricity bill, we don't allow. We are providing them food. We are giving them tiffin. So I don't think they need induction as well.
But you know, sometime my child is very habitual to eat Maggie. So she want that she should carry a induction.
No, we won't allow. If we are allowing, so it would be partiality with other students. So
Okay,
she
okay.
can keep some snacks with her, apart from Maggie and all.
And what is your policy for the visitors, male visitors?
They, I don't know.
Okay, male visitors, like have you
Yeah,
maintained
I got it, but I don't know how to say like what kind of
it?
identity card I can ask.
Like there is a guard on the main gate. Have you maintained a register where you are like entering some details when he
Yeah,
will
we will
when
enter. Only brother and father can visit. Not everyone. Only brother and father can visit, and they have to prove that they are brother and father. They can show some identity or some name like surname and all. We can recognize that.
okay, okay, okay. And what about CCTV and some other facility like AC and fans?
We don't have AC. We have fan and CCTV camera is available in every room because of the security nowadays.
Hmm. And because my daughter is first time living in this PG, so I have some other questions, and I'm very worried about her. So tell me, how far is the hospital and police station? Because it is very necessary for the safety and health purpose, na?
It is, if I talk about the hospital, so it is on the walking step, and police station it will take only 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, okay. And what about parents' policy? Like sometime I'm coming Jaipur for visiting my daughter. So can I stay in that same PG? Do you have any guest room for visitors, for parents?
Yes, we have guest room for parents only. For parents only, we won't allow any other relatives there.
Okay, okay. Yes. So like electricity bill all are included in the rent?
Yes, all are included in that only.
Okay. So now my all questions has been ended. Do you have any question like my daughter's background, some other things you can ask?
Okay, so when she's coming,
She will come in August month.
August month. So is she have experience before living in PC or it will be first time for her?
It is first time for her. That's why I'm very worried.
Okay, then I can understand you are worried because it will be her first time that she is going to live in PG. Okay, so how is the nature of her? Will she be able to cooperate with other people or like other student? What kind of nature she has, like short temper or what?
No, no, she is not short temper. She is very socializing girl. She can mingle with everyone easily.
Okay, then it would be okay and that it would be very perfect.
Hmm. So, ma'am, tell me one thing. You are taking advance like in a quarterly or monthly. You
We
are
will
taking
take
amount quarterly or monthly.
quarterly, we will take quarterly in advance.
And what about security deposit? Are you taking?
Security deposit, no, we are not taking that.
Oh, it's a good thing for me because nowadays mostly demand for security deposit.
No,
And
we are
when
not taking that. It is included in rent. We are going to take rent only and we will manage in that only.
okay, I'm a government teacher and my husband is also a government employee and she is a single child. Any other information do you want?
No, ma'am, I'm done with that. If I have any questions, so I will connect with you. So can I note down your contact number for further communication? Is it your permanent number? So if I need to
Yes,
connect with you, so can I connect on this number?
yes, yes. You can save this number. And ma'am, I have one question, but this time I forget the question.
It's
Yes, you
okay.
can.
It's,
Yes. What kind of documents you required?
we required identity card like Aadhaar card, PAN card, and her mark sheet as well, and a parent's document as well, like PAN card, Aadhaar card.
But why you need mark sheet? because it's a hostel. So why you need mark sheet of my daughter?
I don't
It's okay. It's okay. Sometime it happen. I will give you Aadhaar card. Okay. And one photograph, me and my husband and my daughter also. I think it's sufficient
know.
for
Okay, ma'am.
verification.
Yeah, it will be.
Yes. So this was our role play between PG owner and a mother who is searching a good PG for her daughter.
Yeah, it was nice. Nice role playing. It was my first time to playing such kind of role, and I don't have experience in my real life as well because I never live in PC and I never visited PC before. So that's why I didn't know like what kind of question we can ask, and if they are asking a question, so how we can reply. So that's why sometimes I was stucking, but it's okay. Today I learned that how we can communicate when we are going to enroll in a PC. So it would be good for me for my future.
My area is famous for PG, hostel boys, hostel girls, hostel. That's why
Yeah,
today I choose this topic.
okay. Yeah, it was wonderful. If people are going to listen, so they will get to know that if they are going to, enroll themselves in PC and if they require to communicate in this language, so they will get idea that how they can communicate in this language, what kind of question they can ask, and if someone asking, so how they can reply. It is
Hmm.
wonderful.
Yes.
So
Yes.
mostly whenever you connect with the people, you just play role. You love to role play.
Sometimes I'm doing role play, sometimes I'm narrating a story, and after that, I'm asking what is the moral of the story. Because
Okay.
if we are again and again doing same type of conversation, like what about your morning, evening, anything special, sometimes I feel bored.
Okay. But if I talk about me, I just go with spontaneous conversation. Whenever I'm connecting with the person, I just do spontaneous conversation. And while having a spontaneous conversation, we try to pick any topic and then we discuss on that particular topic because I'm not good in playing role and doing any kind of activities. Some that time I do activities, but that is for sentence building and vocabulary expanding. That is for that only.
Yeah, it's sometimes it happen, but after role play we can understand, okay, these kind of question we can ask.
Yeah. We can understand the scenarios like if we are going in that situation at that place, so what kind of question we can ask. It is wonderful activity, I would say. So I should
And if
also
you
focus
are
on it.
going, like if you are going in a school and you are getting a call from your children's school, how will you deal?
That time I can do, but if I talk about the PC, so I don't have experience about it. If I have experience about something, so that time I can do
It's okay. It's okay. But
perfectly.
these are the basic question, like do you have washing machine, common washing machine, and
Yeah.
sometimes they are giving personal washing machine room to room. It
Okay.
depends on the
But I
budget.
didn't know. No,
Depends
I
on
didn't know like what kind of facilities and amenities they provide. So I was so confused that should I say yes or should I say no? I was so much confused.
but I can say it was a hilarious conversation.
Yeah, it was because I was giving, very funny answers. I was saying, no, I don't know.
But if someone is watching this kind of conversation, they can understand, okay, this kind of question we can ask to the owner. There are so many questions they can make.
Yeah, but when we are going at the place, so automatically questions start to come. We don't have to prepare for that. Automatic it is start to come
No.
according to
No,
time and
like,
situations.
no. Like if you are first time you are searching for PG, so you are not aware what kind of facility we have to search.
No, that time we can ask what kind of facilities you are going to give and what kind of documents you require. So they are going to tell. And if they are asking about the mark sheet, so we can ask like why you are asking mark sheet, why it is required. So we can understand. By talking, we are going to grab that why they are asking such kind of questions. So automatically it is depend on the time and the situation.
And sometimes their refund policy is not good. Some owners they are not giving proper amount of refund. So we have to take some reviews nearby places that
Yeah,
this
by, uh,
is good for my daughter or not. Because sometime all the comment we are reading on the online portal, it is not truth.
Yeah, we always require, we always inquire whenever we are going to take admission in any college, in university. So all the time we inquire with other people that I'm going to take a, admission in that. So how is the, education in this college and what is the environment of this college? All the time we inquire with other people. Before I took admission in college, so my father inquired with my cousins, with my neighbors, like she is going to take admission in this college, so what is the environment of that college. We always do that.
And there is a PG nearby my house. It's a girls' PG. So I am always, watching when these girls are coming from the college, what is the curfew timing for the girls. And yes, they are providing food also. They are giving all amenity to that girls.
Yeah, they do. They provide like laundry, food, everything. Mostly things they provide, but they don't provide AC. They just provide fame. They don't provide AC.
Sometimes they are providing. It depends on your budget.
Only in few PGs, not in every. I would say in 1 or 2% PGs they are providing AC, because I never ever heard like someone is providing AC in PG. They just provide fan only, and they don't provide induction as well, because I had a friend, she was living in PG, so she was saying sometime I crave to eat Maggie and some fast food, but they don't allow me to keep induction here. So that's why I said no, we are not providing that, we are not allowing.
Yes. Yes, sometimes they are allowing, but mostly they are not allowing for
Yeah, they are
induction.
not allowing because of the electricity, and they cannot allow only one person, it would be partiality. Other people are going to create an issue, why you are giving this facility to her, what is your bond with her. So that kind of things are going to happen.
Yes. So, do you have any question for me? Then you can ask. Otherwise, we should wind up this session.
Yeah, definitely we should wind up this session. It was really really nice conversation with you.